Welcome to the One Skein challenge. Let's see if we can create a beautiful gradient dress from this color changing yarn at the end of this video. You will also get a tutorial and all the necessary steps in order to recreate this beautiful dress by yourself. I'm using One Skein only for this challenge, and this is cotton superfine yarn, changing its colored, very beautiful yarn, and let's use it. In order to start this project, you need to chain several chains, and the amount will be the same that will fit through your head. So this will be your neckline, and your neckline should definitely fit through your head, so just measure it accordingly. I did a chain of 60 for this project, but it depends on your yarn and your measurements. Now, after you did your chain, you need to close it with a single crochet or half crochet, and the first row that you will do, it will be the row of single crochet. And this is the first row that I already finished, and I really liked this row. This is the second row, by the way. I tested the new stitch, and I will tell you in details what this stitch is, but it looks just so beautiful in this dress. Okay, so let's see how you do this pattern and this stitch for the whole dress. Going forward, you do chain of 2 and 3 triple crochet in the same space, because now I'm showing the first row. I'm doing 3 triple crochet in the same stitch, but going forward you will do 3 triple crochet in the same space, and you divide these 3 triple crochet with a chain 2 always, and this is the result that you will get at the end of your first row. So your first necklace, as I call it, will be looking like this. So after I do my first row, I place stitch markers on the even spaces one from another. I counted spaces between them because in the 4 corners I will do the increases for my dress. And going forward, I just went increasing in the corners where I had the stitches. Your increase look like this. You do 3 triple crochet in the space, chain 2, 3 triple crochet in the space, and like so you increase until it's necessary. So here how it looks like after a couple of rows, and you see here we did the increases, and this created a corner. So this is a corner, this is a corner, this is a corner. We have 4 corners. And just to understand how you crochet this top down raglan, you fold it like this and you unite it under the sleeves. That's it. So you have your neckline and you have 2 sleeves, and you continue just to crochet in a round until you reach the needed length. So after you fold it like this, you need to unite it at the bottom. And here I already did a couple of rows, and you see how the color is changing to violet slowly. And if you ever wondered how the colors are changing in such yarn, there are little knots in each and every yarn thread, and this is how it's done. Very gradually, so you even don't notice when it's happening, and that's why the transition is so nice and smooth and even not noticeable. If you want to try a dress on, it's always a good idea, and here I already got a top and was happy with it. But we still have a lot of yarn left, so we are going for the full-length dress, and it's interesting how long this dress will be. Let's see. So until now, this is what we got. The color changed very nicely. We have pink already and the dress is looking like this. At some point of time, I started to increase again. So I crocheted straight through my dress, and at the end, at the skirt, I started to increase again 4 increases for each row in order to create this beautiful skirt as you see here. So if you want to do the same, you want to crochet straight and then you will increase each and every row 4 stitches. And this is how my stitches look like. I think this is just beautiful. All these colors and color combination is very nice. Here is how the finished skirt looks like, and I think it turned out pretty cool. So at the end of the day, the one skein challenge was successful and we did create a dress, a full-length dress from only one skein. Let me know in the comments if you like this dress and if you plan to create something similar. Just let me know, and as usual, thank you guys for being with me in this tutorial. Love you guys.